So massive welcome to this course, which is all about helping you build a premium brand for your salon business or for your spa business or other type of local service business. I'm so excited to have you here because I know this course is really important, and I know this course can make a big difference for you. Because if you run a barbershop, a nail salon, a beauty salon, or that type of business, you are by definition running a premium business. You know, not everyone can afford what you have to offer. So you need to be able to communicate that value that you provide. And at the same time, I mean, what you're selling is the invisible. I mean, it's not like selling a product that people can walk up to, they can feel, they can look up, you know, before they decide to buy. You're selling an experience and a benefit that is associated with that experience. And you need to be able to communicate that concept, which is very different. So this is why this course is so important for the type of salon or the type of business that you run. So what we're going to focus on in this course is how you build a premium brand for your business, or maybe even a luxury brand if that's how you want to position yourself. And I know that that's not the only way you can, you know, like brand yourself, but that is the direction that we're taking here, because there's a lot of benefits that comes with that, especially when you run the type of business that you run. So that's what we're going to focus on. And really the goal as we go through this course is to make sure that when you come out on the other side of this, that you really feel that you have clarity on your brand strategy and you have the tools and you know how to move forward and how to bring this to life so that you can start and communicate your brand. So you have all the support you need to do this. I mean, there's all the lessons and stuff that you will see, but this is a journey. You know, you don't build a premium brand or a luxury brand like overnight. That doesn't happen that way. It is something you will need to be working on, you know, through not only now the next days when you go through the course material, but something that you will need to work on consistently. And that's also why I'm not offering this course as kind of just a standalone thing. Like, take this course, now you know how to brand yourself and off you go, good luck. Because I don't believe in that approach. I believe that this is something that needs to be, again, like worked over time. You will be, you know, even when you like learn the theories and we start putting that into practice, you will be tested along the way. And I think it's important to have like something to come back to. Because in the end, you know, even if I wanted to build your brand, because I love this kind of stuff, and even if I wanted to do that, I cannot, because, you know, your brand needs to come from your voice, and that's something that you have. I don't. I can only like give you the tools and help you kind of uncover that and to bring that into your brand. So, you know, this course is going to require your participation. You know, in order for us to reach that goal of giving you clarity on your strategy, you know, knowing how to move forward and actually move forward, this is going to require your participation, you know, study the material and, you know, join in and discuss in the community, you know, when you get stuck. So it is a journey, but you're not alone on it. I'm really excited to have you here. I know this can make a big difference, you know, independently on where on that journey you are already, if you're just starting or if you have an established business already and you already have some branding. You know, I'm really excited to be part of that. But the question is, you know, are you ready to do this? Are you ready to take the commitment and to dive in, to study the material and to start building your brand? Good. I'll see you in the next video.